Hello dear subscribers, hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep supporting. The word burrito means little donkey in Spanish. The end of the world, Nullarbor Cliffs, Australia. BMW holds the Guinness World Record for longest drift. In 2013, Bill Gates admitted the Control plus Alt plus Delete command was a mistake and should have been a single button. Toilets were invented in ancient Rome in 74 AD. This is a phoenix bird. People believe that this mythical creature rises from the ashes and is immortal. To explain the strips on zebras, this cow was painted with strips which reduce the number of biting flies by half. Queen Elizabeth of the United Kingdom has had her position as queen since before 82% of the entire population of the UK was even born. 1 teaspoon of a neutron star would weigh 6 billion tons. George Washington died in 1799 after doctors drained nearly 40% of his blood in an attempt to cure a sore throat. The people of North Korea may only choose from 28 approved haircuts. Disobeying this results in jail time. Penguins' legs are longer than they look and they actually have knees. 1,500 drones created a scannable QR code in Shanghai, China to celebrate the anniversary of a game which can be downloaded by scanning the QR. In 1989, Pepsi became the 6th largest military in the world when the Soviets agreed to trade a part of their naval fleet in exchange for Pepsi drinks. In 1963, the Bronx Zoo had an exhibit called the most dangerous animal in the world. It was a mirror. Looks like something out of Star Wars, but it's city of Medina. A 42-year-old UK woman faked cancer and managed to raise money worth 71,754.54 USD that she used to fund her lavish lifestyle and mounting debt. British intelligence agency MI6 once hacked an Al-Qaeda website and replaced bomb-making instructions with cupcake recipes. Telling the truth and making someone cry is and making someone smile. During the filming of The Passion of the Christ, the actor who plays Jesus was struck by lightning on set. In 1980, a Las Vegas hospital suspended 7 employees and indicated a nurse for betting on when patients would die. I was today years old when I found about yellow watermelon. In 2012, an American girl, Nicole Delian, slept for 64 days due to rare disorder called a sleeping beauty syndrome. The world record for alcohol consumption is by Andre the Giant, who drank 156 beers in one sitting. In 1942, a 12-year-old lied about his age to join the Navy. The world's tallest man, Sultan Kozin, holding a regular-sized can of Pepsi. Hawaiian surfer training for large waves by carrying a 50 lb stone underwater. Hating the sound of someone breathing or chewing is called misophonia and is actual brain disorder. At the end of the movie It, there is a funny line left by Burger King The moral is never trust a clown. This was clever way to troll McDonald's. This is the Tunnel of Lights located in Ireland. The creator of Johnny Bravo, the creator of Powerful Girls, the creator of Dexter's Laboratory were all roommates in a college. Egyptian babies did not know that one day their daddy will be a mummy. This is extremely rare atmospheric phenomenon called Rainbow Bridge. Once, Domino's was fined ₹10 lakh for charging ₹14 from two customers for carry bag in Chandigarh, India. A couple from Australia gets pizza free for 60 years from Domino's after they named their newborn baby Dominic. Only when the last tree has died and the last tree been poisoned and the last fish been caught, we will realize we cannot eat money. If you are ever attacked by a brown bear, play dead. Elon Musk, the co-founder and the CEO of Tesla, becomes richest person on same day that Nikola Tesla died 78 years ago. What a coincidence. In medieval times, it was common to have 2 sleeps per night. There is a man who bought a Boeing 727-200 for $100,000 and uses it as his house. In 2011, Russia acknowledged beer as an alcoholic beverage. A 35-year-old Russian blogger married her 21-year-old stepson. They also have a daughter together. The dates 4/4, April 4, 6/6, June 6, 10/10, October 10 and 12/12, December 12 all fall on the same day of week every year. The gravity was discovered 400 years before Sir Isaac Newton by Bhaskaracharya. Gustav alligator killed more than 300 humans near Lake Tanganyika, Africa. World's longest Wi-Fi network in Patna, India. It stretches 20 km from Nigpatna to Danapur. Thanks for watching.